Let's take a look at what happens when you copy an element from a diagram and try to modify it. When we use the usual Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V shortcuts, a copy of the element is created. However, you may notice something unexpected. Any changes you make to the copied element also affect the original one. This happens because VisualParadigm diagrams are model-based. Every element you see on the diagram is backed by a corresponding metamodel element. So when you perform a standard copy and paste, you're not creating a brand new model. Instead, you're creating another occurrence of the same underlying model element. In other words, both the original and the copied element are referencing the same metamodel. That's why modifying one automatically updates the other. If you want to create an independent copy, one that you can modify freely, you should use the Paste Model Element option from the pop-up menu instead. This command creates a replicated model element, allowing you to make changes without affecting the original. Alternatively, you can right-click the source element and choose Duplicate, or simply press Ctrl-E to duplicate it. And if you need to duplicate a group of elements along with their structure, just right-click the root element in the Model Explorer and select Duplicate Recursively.